This is the pilot boat as we leave Wellington. He's been doing 360s and everything else. You can see he came up behind us here. And these guys like to carry on in their own way. He'll be out here with us for another few miles as we leave the Wellington Harbor. And from my videos last week, this is where we traveled around that whole shoreline over on the other side of the island, and then all the way around there, which was a commercial area out the island, and all the way out here we'll come to a lighthouse in a few minutes. So he's down here with us. He's going to stay with us here until we get right out to the that big lighthouse, and then he'll probably leave us at that point, and we'll head into the ocean. So we're leaving Wellington Harbor on a good day, beautiful weather.